Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Sivananda Yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Today I'm sharing with you 8 angle pose, Astavakrasana. My way to get into it. Bring the legs to the side, front leg, just bring the heels on top. You form this O shape. So I'm on the right side with the legs. I bring the arm, the right arm, through both legs to the floor. I make sure I have contact with the inner leg above my right elbow. I bring the palms roughly 60 centimeters apart. I lean forward, bring my weight up, look towards the feet. I'm in the posture and get down. Got it? Let's change to the other side. Again, front leg just on top. Bring the left arm now to the inside of the legs, down. This time I make sure just above my elbow I have contact with the leg. Palms 60 centimeters apart. Shoulder width a bit more. Palms are parallel. I come to the side, I look towards the feet and balancing. Got it? Let's change the angle. Maybe this time it's better. Legs together, left leg over the right, make this O shape, bring the arms through, lean to the side, look towards the feet. Easy. From here it's nice to extend and come into the second balance pose. Do whatever you can. Change sides. Look from the back. Right foot or left foot now on top. Arm through. Turn to the side. And look. See you next time. Om. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.